Hi everyone, welcome to Helical Insight training videos.
In this video, we are going to cover how to add custom calculations in can report module. Sometimes the built-in calculations are not enough and we need to create our own formulas. In such cases, custom calculation feature allows us to define our own calculation using the fields from our dataset. For example, we can create calculations like running totals, percentages, ratios, or any other formula based on report data. To create custom calculation, go to property. We will see calculations here. By default, there are no calculations. We have to first name total travel cost. Class name, based on the data type, we should provide the class name and the calculation which we would like to apply. This field name should match with this and click on save so that it gets added. We are sharing the documentation link in the description, so there you can see description for each and every option. Click on save. Parameter got added. In order to see this parameter, you should go to data source, calculations are parameter. We can see total travel cost. We can drag this calculation directly into canvas and we can use it. So we are using this in the table. Footer, we have to use repeat by stick to record the footer. Apply bold. Now click on preview. We can see the total got added. It is in the table footer, so it is repeating for every page. So here I just added simple, very basic calculation of sum. There we can calculate based on multiple fields and we can use different operators to do the calculation. I have opened another sales report. Here I would like to show a little complex calculation. Here we have cost price, selling price. I would like to calculate profit and profit percentage. Let me add two separate calculations for profit and profit percentage. Profit, this data type is float, calculation nothing, reset type none. Here we have to write the expression for calculation. Save this calculation. This is saved. I would like to add another calculation for profit percentage. In the expression, we have to write the formula. This is the formula to calculate profit percentage. Let me save it. I have saved two calculations. In order to see these calculations, go to data source, calculations. Here we can see profit percentage. Let me drag these two fields. I will add in my report. Let me add labels also for these fields. Profit, repeat by stick to record. This is profit percentage. Let me preview and see the result. We can see the profit and percentage calculation here. Let me apply formatting similar to other fields. Some border. In the text field, I will write a format to display by rounding to 2 decimals and display percentage. Let me preview. Here we can see the profit and percentage. Let me validate some value to make it clear that it is calculated correctly. we can see the percentage calculation is correct. This is how we can use simple and complex calculations using custom calculations option. Hope you are clear with this. Thank you for watching.
Congratulations, you're one step closer in becoming Helical Insight expert.